Good morning, friends. This is Ayan from Billionaire Traders Club. This is morning update, as I had guaranteed to you. I am uploading this morning update both on YouTube as well as on my various podcasts on Spotify, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, etc. So this will be a quick update. Um, in the morning, if we can see, I'll refresh this page. Let's first look into the global indices, and we find that we start with Japan. Japan is down by 521 points. Australia and New Zealand indices are flattish. Shanghai is and China are a bit positive. China A50 is positive. Hang Seng is negative. Taiwan weighted is flattish. SET and KOSPI are again flattish. Uh, European markets, German market and UK market closed negative. Dow Jones again closed heavily negative. S&P negative. Nasdaq negative. The VIX was pretty high at 25-28. Indian markets, let's look at Indian markets. Indian markets did open slightly high. BSE Sensex was positive, is positive. Nifty Bank closed negative. VIX is again rising. It's up by about 131%. That's 17. And with the rising VIX, we expect the VIX to even cross your 18-19 if the trend continues. If you want to look at VIX, we can look at VIX also. On a 5 minutes chart, we see that VIX initially fell, but it is rising again. Yesterday it constantly kept on rising, and it rose up by about 14%. And today also it's showing good strength in rising. Nifty, as we saw that it started with slight gap up. It sort of is consolidating, but we expect it to maybe move sideways if there is not enough strength. Let's move into the trading view and look at some of the stocks that I had recommended. This is Adani. Adani, I had said, is bullish reversal is expected from support. It is still keeps on falling. On a daily chart, we can see that it is close to a support, and maybe in couple of days or maybe by tomorrow, reversal will be expected. So we still need to wait and watch on this particular stock. Bajaj Holding, I had said there was high volume trading in last 2 days. In the watch list for possible on other side move and either side move. So it has had a move. Let's look into 5 minutes or 30 minutes charts. We will look into higher time frame later on. It did move up, and it has come back to the support today. At this minute, there has been a slight fall, but it went up pretty high, about almost 20 to 25% from yesterday's close, 5.36% up. So there is, since it is at a support, we do expect it to again travel back. So it's a good opportunity for people to buy into Bajaj Holdings from this moment. BPCL, let's look into BPCL. There was earlier a huge price fall. and there is an expectancy for it to move up or move down. So there was some uh, bulls who tried to take the market up, but we can see that at 5 minutes it is below VWAP. So intraday also we can try to sell it, or positionally we can also try to sell it. It is intraday it is below 40, so it's a good trade to take now, and try to uh, sell it. It's down by 2.95 points, and we can take a guaranteed short at the moment. Indus End, uh, yesterday's closing was 1089.95. Now it is at 1100 and 1.85, that is 13 points up. We can see that it's constantly moving up. It's about 13 points up, 1.25%, and it's a good move if it continues up, since it's above the VWAP. Okay, Indus Towers. Uh, as I said yesterday, it was the earlier fall was fake, so we can look at uh, taking further trades. It has fallen a bit since its rise, but it is still 2 points up, and I am seeing a support close to yesterday's close, so one can take a new long position near its yesterday's close, or about at 263.25 points, where a reversal can happen. We can see that volumes have fallen on the short side, so and the zigzag is also pointing upward. So let's we can uh, take the take a long position or buy from this position. It's a buy on fall, buy on dips sort of stock at the moment. Look, and let us look into ITC, the most talked about stock in the memes. As I said yesterday, that ITC is one of those stocks I expect to sell on in days to come, and we can see that there is a sort of fall here, even though it is on low volumes, and it is now 237 and 233.45 is are the resistance at the moment. Even if it reverses, one can short from 236 or from the current price levels. Indigo. As I said, there were some profit booking expected. Buying opportunities can be there only if there are it reverses from its profit booking, so one can sell due to these profit bookings, even though the volumes are low at the moment. So uh, one can just wait and watch till the profit booking is closed, or one can take some small short selling in here to get advantage of some fall in the price. Thanking you, friends. This was update number one. I will be back somewhere in next 2 hours at 12 o'clock, and then again at 2 o'clock to give you further updates on the market.